I will talk about how can you select animation of wind on your app. We go to on your Windy app, so we go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. So you go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here, sorry, or you just go above settings, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You go down, you come here to animation of wind, and here can you select it if you want to add normal or high or intensive here. So here can you select it. That's all. I wish you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.